If you're waiting around for something to happen with home prices, you're waiting for something that's not going to come. Are home prices dropping? It's one of the biggest questions that we're getting right now, and one of the biggest hopes for potential buyers out there. There's been a lot of talk that prices are going to crash, prices are coming down, and let's get to the truth of that to see what that's all about. So if you're watching the national news or you're having a conversation with a family or friend, at some point recently, someone's told you that prices are going to be dropping. And wouldn't we all love that? But the reality is, prices continue to go up. It's a real thing. You would think with the higher interest rates that we'd be seeing a change in prices, but here's the reality. Last month, the average home sale price was $311,000. Now, contrast that to the highest point of last year when home sale prices were crazy and we saw some of the biggest increases that we've seen in a number of years. June of last year, the average sale price was $310,000. We're already $1,000 higher than that, and it's only March. So if you're waiting around for something to happen with home prices, you're waiting for something that's not going to come. If you're thinking back to 2008 and you saw a crash then, and well, surely it's been so long, another one has to come also. The housing market is different than the stock market. So the stock market makes a lot of corrections over a number of years, and it's very cyclical like that. The housing market is completely different. You can look back historically and you don't see crashes happening every X number of years. 2008 happened because of bad loan practices. People that never should have got a loan got them, or maybe ones that got loans got bigger ones than what they should have gotten. So a lot of those went into default. Lenders called back a lot of loans, and so there was a huge increase of inventory to the market. Law of supply and demand. There was a lot more supply, but the same level of demand, and so prices went down. There's nothing like that on the horizon for us, and you can see it in the numbers for yourself. You're welcome to look it up. We are already at a higher point than what we were last year at its peak. And we're with rates that are almost double what they were around that time. So if you're waiting for prices to drop, and considering buying a home, you're actually costing yourself more money. Yes, this is true. I get that the realtor is telling you to buy a home now. I get how that sounds, but it's just the truth. If you're waiting around for something to happen, there's nothing on the horizon, unless maybe zombie apocalypse or nuclear war with China. I mean, all those things we can never predict that would have a substantial impact on everything. Sure, if you're waiting for that, then that's not where the ring you want to throw your hat in. So I hope this is helpful for you. If you're considering building, selling, or buying a home, my name is Jim Hare with Hare Homes Realty Group, Keller Williams, Greater Omaha. We'd love to have a conversation with you about what your goals are, whether you're buying, selling, or building, how this market currently affects your situation, and some things for you to consider as you're making goals for your family's future. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you, and have an amazing day.